Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can change your date of birth on your TikTok account. First of all, we will check if the TikTok is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find TikTok. If there's an update button, click it and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open the TikTok. In the bottom menu, find the Profile section and click. When the profile is opened, click on the three lines in the top menu and select the option Settings and Privacy. A large number of options will open here, of which we need Report a Problem. We click. In the new window, we need to find the Account and Profile section and click on it. In the next step, we will open the Editing Profile section. Here we will select the Other option. In the next month, we will select the option from the bottom of the Need More Help list. Here we need to write a message to the TikTok team that we want to change our date of birth. And click Submit. All that remains is for TikTok to allow us to change our date of birth. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. See you in the next video.